Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's about to get real. It's about to get real. So, might I do the honors?
Are you ready now to witness a power not seen for thousands of years?
Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. Oh man, listen. Before we get into this video, please go ahead and smash that like button because I have some heat for you guys today. I told you in the last video that we will be we will be copying everything we can get our hands on. And my oh my, did I mean that. So before we get into this video, please go ahead and check out the socials. The Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at ImChrisBriggs and at ImChrisBriggs too. But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's, say it with me now, and get you a Whopper because we are about to get it popping, bro. Hold on. As you guys can see, oh yeah, it's about to get real. It's about to get real. First of all, thumbnail time. Feel me? You gotta look surprised on camera. Now, when it comes to the sneakers that are in this box right here, bro, listen, this is heat right here. This is straight up heat. If you guys checked out the video that I posted yesterday or a couple days ago, go ahead and check that one out because I went through all the sneakers that released this weekend. And one of those, god dang it. And one of those sneakers that I talked about is in this box. So, might I do the honors?
Are you ready now to witness a power not seen for thousands of years?
Yes, sir. We already done. Tossed the knife real quick before I got dang cut my head off. Please don't demonetize me for that. I'm just joking. Now, listen, I came in super clutch. And when it comes to the sneaker that I came in clutch on, I unboxed it the wrong way. But can you guess what it is just by looking at that? Oh yeah, can you guess what it is just by looking at that? I told you. We got some heat today. This is gonna be the first time I'm seeing this in person too. But, god dang, take the box off. Take the box off. Ooh, check out our new rewards program and start earning points today. All right, hey, ooh, save 25% off your next purchase of 125 or more. You know what? Here, y'all can have this. Y'all can have this promo code. I'm going to make sure that I put B-roll on the screen so that you guys can get 25% off your next purchase of $125 or more. Don't say Chris Briggs and never did nothing for y'all, you feel me? As you guys can already see, we got the gold box right here. And if you guys don't know, that means that we have, I mean, how much paper they gonna give us, goddamn. I'm just trying to get into the shoe. We have, the Air Jordan 6 Dmp. Hold on real quick. Oh, hold on. I can't make no sudden movements. I ain't trying to break these bad boys. We just gotta examine the sneaker real quick. We gotta see what we're looking at. Okay, I'm not gonna cap. Let me see. Ooh. Oh yeah, these are staying with me. I ain't even gonna lie, that material caught me off guard because the material is dumb soft. Oh yeah, yes sir. These bad boys are staying with me. My stomach's growling. Your boy ain't eat all day. Excuse me, bro. I have manners, I promise, especially at the table. Now, when it comes to the Air Jordan 6 Dmp, this sneaker released a long time ago. That was the first initial release, and it released in the pack with the 11s, which was the defining moments pack. If you guys don't know, every time a pack releases, the sneaker has to equate to 23, which was the man Jordan's jersey number. So the Air Jordan 6 also came with the Air Jordan 11, which is kind of like a Concord inspired Air Jordan 11 with like gold hits, metallic gold hits. But I'm not gonna lie, bro, a lot of people did say that this was their favorite of the pack, and I honestly agree. I feel like these look better than the 11s do. If you guys don't know, the Air Jordan 6 is one of my favorite Jordan models. It was number one, probably about top 3, maybe top 2 now. But these bad boys right here, I ain't even about to get into a full review because I gotta do that later. But these right here, bro, are crispy. I was kind of concerned, like I was kind of like nervous because I wanted to make sure that the quality was going to be on point with these bad boys. Listen, if you're bringing a sneaker back from years ago, you want to make sure that everything is spick and span and everything is on point. I will say that construction wise, they didn't make too many mistakes, bro. I don't really see any mistakes. One thing that's wild is that when this sneaker dropped, it sat just for a little bit though. If you wanted to cop this sneaker, bro, you had the chance to cop it. It's just a lot of people was not going for it, bro. Throughout the day, sizes started started selling out. This is a sneaker, like for everybody who's starting their collections now, this is a sneaker that you're gonna wanna go back and like pick it up. So if you didn't pick it up today or like when it dropped, you're tripping. That was an L. L for you, my guy. Here. L. Honestly, bro, I am not about to get into a full review because I do have that coming soon. Just know that the pickup for today was the Air Jordan 6 DMP. And you wanna know something? You wanna know something that's crazy about that? The one thing that's crazy is that that is not really all the pickups, bro. I have more stuff coming. So without further ado, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for the review. I do have a review coming soon, and you already know that the quality on that review is about to be up, way up. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. As you guys already know, more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. Let me know, how do you guys feel about the Air Jordan 6 DMP? Do you guys think that it is dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know if you picked this sneaker up or if you slept on it. Hey, I got more videos coming soon, more tune for your head top coming soon, and all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. I hope you did not sleep on these bad boys, because these are straight bangers. And all I have to say is, hey, Chris Briggs signing out. Some things is hard, bro.